Hey everyone, it's George from my Stay at Home Adventures, and today I am going to go over our slush fund, which we did last month in September, and I am going to show you where we're at this month in October. I just cannot believe that it's October already. So this account, we use Digit for our slush funds, for this particular slush fund, and what we use it for is for yearly um, fees. So we have Amazon Prime and AAA. The rainy day, it's a default account that Digit has. I can't edit it or change it. So it has $165.24. And last month it was at $157.54. And Amazon Prime is now $107. And last month it was at $89.78. The AAA account is at $22.32, and last month was at $20.52. The reason you see a big jump in Amazon Prime is because it's actually being boosted, which means that when it pulls from my checking account, it will give more to this account because it has a due date, a goal date of December 6th. And if you look at AAA, it's due April 4th of next year, so it's giving it 10 cents for now because I needed to reach that goal. This goal first. And what will happen is that on the 6th, Digit will automatically pull that money to my account. So when the bill comes, I already have the $119. I am hoping that Amazon does not raise the price or increase it like they normally do in November and December. So for AAA, I estimate and budgeted $200, but I'm sure it's going to be way less than that, but I'm not sure there's going to be an increase, so just to be safe. What I'm planning on doing with $165.24, I have no idea, but I know that we're going to join the pool next summer again, so I might use this money for that or create another goal for it right here. Another question that I had was if I'm afraid that Digit will overdraft my checking account. The answer is no. How I have it set up is that if it reaches below a certain amount, for example, $200, it will not pull any money at all. And again, you can always click here, options, and then you can just edit, max save, or delete the goal completely. Why I like Digit, I just don't know. I had it for so many years. We actually saved that money for Disney, a lot of money for Disney, using Digit. So I always use it, and it's pretty available. I would not use it for an emergency account at all. So don't think about that because I think you can only max $2,000. So that's our slush funds for the month of October, mid of October 15th. And if you have any questions, you can always let me know. If you have not seen the video from last month, I will actually add the link below. Have a good day.